Welcome to BTCFi platform tutorial. BTCFi is a platform that lets you generate yield while holding Bitcoin at minimal risk. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to maximize your earnings and navigate the features of this platform. Let's dive right in. First, let's connect your wallet to BTCFi. By simply clicking the Connect Wallet, you can choose the wallet of your choice to connect to BTCFi platform. BTCFi supports a variety of wallets for your convenience. In this video, we will use Poki, a cross-chain wallet that's easy to use. To start using BTCFi, you have to have BTC. You can use Wrap BTC or BTCB to do this. You can deposit your BTC by clicking the Start Here button. In the pop-up section, type the amount and select the type of BTC you wish to use. Make sure to select the chain you have your BTC on. Below, you can see the dollar value of your BTC deposit and loan-to-value ratio. We will explain this part shortly after. After clicking Deposit, BTCFi asks you to confirm the amount and the chain before signing the transaction. First-time users also need to approve their BTC before proceeding with deposit. Please make sure you have the gas fee for the chain. Once you sign the transaction, you can easily track the progress of your deposit through the interface. Once the deposit is completed, you can start minting BtcUSD, a stable coin minted against your BTC collateral. This minted BtcUSD coin can be lent to other people or lent to an exchange to make revenue. You can mint your BtcUSD with a fixed borrow APY of 3.5%. To start minting, simply click on the Mint BtcUSD button on your dashboard. Enter the amount and press the Borrow button to proceed with minting BtcUSD. As shown in the indicator, you can mint up to a maximum of 50% of your held collateral assets. After clicking Borrow, you need to confirm the amount before you sign the transaction. After signing the transaction, your minted BtcUSD coins will be in your wallet in a few seconds. Now you can use your newly minted BtcUSD to generate yield. You can monitor your minted BtcUSD amount and check your position's health indicator from here. Before moving to the Earn section, you can calculate your estimated earnings by using the Revenue Calculator. Explore different tabs like Desired Amount, Desired Month to earn interest, and deposit ratio between BTCFi and Everdex to get accurate revenue projections. In the Earn section, you can review different ways to utilize your BtcUSD to generate yield. You can either deposit your BtcUSD to BTCFi and receive deposit rewards quickly and easily, or you can supply your BtcUSD to stablecoin pool on Everdex to earn a share of the trading fees. You can also earn additional interest by staking the received LP tokens from provided liquidity. To earn interest from BTCFi, enter the amount you wish to deposit and press the Deposit button. Make sure the amount of BtcUSD is correct, then press Deposit to proceed. Once the deposit is complete, you can check your reward status in the dashboard section. To earn interest from Everdex, enter the amount you wish to deposit and press the Supply Liquidity button to deposit your BtcUSD. After making sure the amount is correct, press Supply Liquidity button to confirm. Once liquidity is provided, you will notice the changing color on Stake button. This indicates your eligibility for staking. You can now stake your newly received LP tokens to receive additional token rewards. To do that, click on Stake button and enter the amount of LP tokens you want to stake. The scroll bar below helps you easily select the percentage of tokens you wish to stake. You have now successfully staked your LP tokens. You can click on Go to Dashboard button to find your reward status. Under your earnings section, you can review the current status of your earnings. To claim your rewards from BTCFi and EverDex easily, simply click on Claim Reward buttons within BTCFi and EverDex sections. BTCFi rewards are being paid in BTCUSD. On the other side, EverDex staking rewards are being paid in BFC tokens. To note, trading fees earned from supplying liquidity to the stablecoin pool are automatically added to your position. And that concludes our tutorial. Now it's time to start maximizing your earnings with our BTCFi. Go on and try it now.